Hello everyone, I'm Vishal and I'll be talking to you on this template which we have shared with you. This is mainly the final presentation that you'll be sharing with the jury members. And for that, I'll be telling you more on the template and the requirements. There are certain guidelines which are given to you. The first very important guideline is about having, you may say, a font size and you may say the text size, which should be consistent throughout. The important part is don't have you need not have too many of you may say text on the slides. You can have pictures, you can have uh, you may say images, etc. Don't make it too text heavy because it will be difficult for the people to read it, as I have already told you. The important part, the message that we wanted to convey is about the assured framework. And the assured framework is something which is being proposed by Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar. We have sent you a video, a link in this template itself. You should be watching the video. This video, Dr. Mashelkar himself is explaining the assured framework. It is also giving you some you may say case studies to refer to how the framework has been applied to a certain area. You go. So this video I'd divided into two parts. First part is where I say about the assured framework, and the second part is where I say about the slides that you will be presenting. So for the first part, affordability, we go to the assured framework. Affordability is basically how affordable the product or the service to the common man. That number, which is tenfold less cost, is just an indication to you your might be more than tenfold. It that is just a quantification for that matter to understand what we are trying to say as affordability. Scalability is the speed at which the idea can reach 1 million customers. Now you have tried doing a study with a limited number of customers. What we expect is a brief plan to be presented for the plan to reach scalability. How you do it, what are your partnerships, etc. come into this area. Sustainability is not limited to the economic supports which will be provided by policies by the government, etc. But more sustainability should be focused on how good it is for the environment, how the idea is good for the environment, what are the issues being solved, is it a standalone thing that can go forward, is it socially accepted. All these are the pointers. Universal is where it should be user friendly with minimal friction to customers and consumers. It should be something like maintenance free, etc. are some of the parameters that you are able to come up with. Rapid is not limited to getting funds, but actually how fast you are able to implement on ground. So the implementation of the idea on the ground is what rapid means. And it should be also telling you more on, like you should also be telling more on what are your partnerships going forward to make this possible. Excellence is the next practice in business or technology. So what this means is the next practice means is something which is related to innovation, which is related to invention, which is also related to how you are generating revenue. So it could be some business model, it could be a technology in that sense. Distinctive is it is first for the world. That is what is expected. If it is first for the world, it is not an imitation. It's not a me too idea. That is what we are saying. So these are the broad criteria of what it means. Definitely, when you look at the videos, you will find that a detailed thing on what is expected. Now, assured framework, which is applied to TRL level 3 to 5 projects, wherein your idea lies, your product or service lies. Uh, what I would say is the jury would investigate these areas. These are TRL level 3 to 5 projects. So the expectation is not about the real-time implementation on ground at this stage, but there is an expectation that the ideators have answers to show how they can, what is the road ahead. So affordability in this stage, the team has an information on the final cost outline and can compare with existing alternatives. That is the requirement. Scalability is a plan presented how scalability can be reached in a specific time. So there is scalability is one number and there is time, which is another number. So basically, you should interrelate this and understand and show in the presentation how you're going to do it. These indicators show how it can be done and could be by networks, partnerships, etc. So sustainability is a standalone idea. It does not require a policy push. It can create a social impact. So we are measuring the social impact in sustainability. Universal is where how easy the customer and consumer experience of the product. It has to be integrated in the current scenario. So what it means is that is it difficult for the customer to do an integration to the existing whatever he's having? Is it easily integratable? That is what is being asked over here. So basically, rapid is about how fast you are able to reach the customer, how easy you are able to scale up. It is an indication of, I would say, the financial supports, not just limited to the financial supports, but also uh, telling about how what are the plans that you have for the customer to accept your product. So that is what is to be told over here. Distinct is about what is different in your idea. Is it an imitation or is it something very different which is not available? Have you created your own territory? That is what is being asked over here. uh, Excellence is the use of technology, process, or business model which is aligned with the next practice. And I think all these words like next practice and imitations and all this, these words basically are being used in Dr. Mashelkar's lecture. So I think this is the first part of the video where we wanted to explain you about what are the parameters and in which you would be judged. And these parameters are coming in certain slides. That would be the second part of the video. Thanks for your time. I think you should be watching the second video as well.